Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add custom tokens to your Metamask wallet. So the first thing that you need to do is open up the extensions in your browser and then go to Metamask, and then here you need to click on the three dots and then click on expand view. This will open up the new tab, and here you need to click on import tokens. You will see in the bottom, and here if you search for TRB, that is a tribute coin, this isn't available on Metamask. So for that you need to add a custom token, and you will see on the top right next to search button, click on that, and here you need to enter the token contract address. So how can you find that? For that you need to go to Etherscan or any other marketplace for cryptocurrency and then search for the coin that you want to add. For example, if I want to add TRB, I will click on it, and then here you will see the contract ID. You need to copy that ID, and now you need to go to Metamask and then paste that ID. And here you can see that the other fields have auto filled. Now you need to click on add custom token and click on import, and boom, this is how you can add a custom token to your Metamask wallet. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.